Another drill which helps focus on a correct power-generating weight shift is the impact drill. This exercise, performed from the two top positions and at a very slow speed, helps focus attention on this key aspect of a powerful golf swing. As shown here, the lead arm stops at impact position, the lead shoulder is up, the head is down, and the rear hip has shifted weight to the front leg, taking advantage of the body's structural levers to generate maximum clubhead speed. Execute 15 to 20 repetitions of this drill, and then change swing arm position and repeat in the opposite direction to achieve a balanced workout. Watch as this drill pays off on the golf course. Notice the weight shift as the club head moves through the impact zone as practiced in this drill. This exercise will definitely help you produce faster club head speed with more control.